It was then that I learned about human trafficking, and that blew my world. But then I was just 23 years old, and I'm sure, I don't have the capacity, I don't have the skills to do anything. I finished my college and then I straight away went into work, started my career as a recruiter. When I resigned, I had 7 years of corporate experience. When I attended GLS, I had to hear from Bishop T.D. Jakes to tell me about the story of Eagle.
To believe that you can stand on the ground, but you belong in the air.
That you're not called to be normal. And God is a God of vision that is beyond your provision. That God rekindled the spirit in me and rekindled this burden in me that I have to relook at it and I have to do something about it. This was the moment that I knew that I want to serve the victims of human trafficking. And then I called my dad and I'm like, Dad, there's something that I want to share with you.
కానీ కుమార్తె మాతో చెప్పినప్పుడు మేము కొంత ఎందుకు మనకే అని అన్నా, కానీ కుమార్తె ధైర్యంతో ముందుకు వచ్చింది. అందులో భాగంగా ఈ యొక్క రెడ్ రోప్ని స్టార్ట్ చేసి
my dad, I've grown up watching him, witnessing the lives that he's transformed with the love, more than the preaching that he did. It was the love and the caring that he shared with people that brought a lot of impact.
నన్ను చూస్తూ మా నాన్నగారు చేసిన సేవలను మేము పంచుకోవడం, మాట్లాడుకోవడం, చెప్పడం ద్వారా నా కూతురు కూడా ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి ఇలాగా అనేకులకు ప్రయోజనకరమైన సేవ చేయాలనే ఆలోచనతో ఉండేది.
Human trafficking is mere exploitation of human beings, be it man, women, and children for various purposes. While human trafficking is the world's second largest organized crime, 80% of victims in India are women and majorly children. According to an Indian statistics, we find that every 8 minutes there is a girl child that goes missing in India. So Red Rope is founded with a vision to work on all the issues of human trafficking. We work in creating awareness because we believe prevention is far better than cure, far better than rescues, far better than rehabilitation and all of that. So as of now, we have repatriated 7 women, international women. We have rescued around 120 people from bonded labor, and then we've done 3 cycling campaigns to different states within India, and we've done around 500 programs of prevention, various colleges, schools, communities, villages, talking to them about the issue.
ఈరోజు ఇలాగా కుమార్తె ఉందంటే కుమార్తె గురించి నేను చాలా గర్వపడుతున్నాను.
Majority of people think that human trafficking no more exists in India, and here are 18.3 million Indian fellows that do not enjoy this freedom. So for me, success is only when all of these victims of human trafficking can enjoy the freedom that Jesus has given me, that all of them are redeemed and saved.